If there was a crime before, they gon' be really mad when we hit the floor. It's a crime to be gorgeous, between you and a million bones. They're taking pictures like me in a pose. It's alright to be honest, even when we sit in the dark. I feel the prettiest that you ever saw. Are your eyes even open? It ain't even really a fault. We make a killing, but it's so beautiful. It's a crime to be gorgeous. 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 It's a crime.
Babe, I just called to tell you how much I love you and how amazingly beautiful that you are. Oh my God, how uplifting and inspiring you've been for me for all this time. And I love you, and no one can find here.
Yeah, look at me, really look at me. Loaded the magazine, they throwing a book at me. I'm booking at 80 miles per hour cause my jewelry. I'm cooking some collard greens, I ain't got no room for these. Then I got surgery, cause of scrutiny. But he like my before and after pictures, he cool with these. I took off the wig and put some moves on my new 4C. I put on the wig and take it off as I damn well please. I look like my family, I don't need to brag. Titty used to sag, then she got some ass. Can't avoid the pap, can't even avoid the cash. Yeah, you beautiful baby, but you got more than that. Pretty hurts, don't talk to me about Brazilians. After that wax, you thought you wanted to kill him, but now you walking around like you one in a million. He looking at me like he wants some beautiful children.
If there was a crime before, they gon' be really mad when we hit the floor. It's a crime to be gorgeous, between you and a million bones. They're taking pictures like me in a pose. It's alright to be honest, even when we sit in the dark. I feel the prettiest that you ever saw. Are your eyes even open? It ain't even really a fault. We make a killing, but it's so beautiful. It's a crime to be gorgeous.
So Christian in the boutons, and now she got contacts but no close friends, and she lasered all that hair off, and she thank God for that M sculpt. She wanna be chic when it's inspired by heroin. There you go with that smile again. She stay in school but she more privy to college in. Oh, now you unbotched again. You oughta cut off all them kids, they toxic friend. You getting showered in compliments, you feeling power but not within. I mean, I only got myself to appeal to. They got their nose up judging me, but ain't all